Go grab yourself a drink, kick back, relax. Going to jump straight into this camp cook-up. Right, yeah, looks like I've got lots of ingredients, but I think this cook-up will be fairly simple. Upside down pizza. So what we need for this one, I'm going to do it on the barbecue. Bacon paper, bit of olive oil spray or cooking spray, some puff pastry, only need one sheet. Going to tomato paste with a bit of chili paste with that. Then the ingredients, I've got sausages already cooking on the barbecue and a few slices of streaky bacon. Then got some ham which I'll cut up, a chorizo and a pepperoni stick. Got some herbs, some sun-dried tomatoes, some fresh mozzarella, and also some Greek-style feta, cheddar cheese, and some parmesan, and also you'll need one egg. Again, this is my version of it. You can use whatever you want. If you just want a ham and pineapple, a supreme, I'm making this as though it's a mega meat lovers. So I'm going to get into the preparation of it, dice a few things up, dice the pepperoni and also the chorizo up, and then cut the sausages up and the bacon, do the ham as well, and then I'll show you how I lay the pizza. Just grab all your ingredients, just dice them up. You don't want your sausages too big. Same as your bacon. Just do that for your ingredients, cut them up into bite-sized pieces, and then I'll show you how I'm going to layer it all together. Just put all our ingredients once they're sliced up into a bowl. Some ham. That's nice fresh ham. Make sure you stop and have a drink. Hydrate yourself. Righto, so going to start building the pizza. Got some bacon paper on my pizza stone. Just going to give that a light oil. Then you want to start building your the pizza. So just going to put some ham on there. Be generous. And again, this is your pizza, what you guys like. Make sure it's fairly even. You want the flavours in every bite. And then just keep layering it up. The reason you want to cook your sausages and your pizza a bit is just to make sure they're cooked all the way through. You don't want nothing raw. Just continue to build layers. So just going to go with some sun-dried tomatoes. I drain them a little bit, but I'm not too worried about the oil. The oil adds another flavour to it. So as I said a bit earlier, we're actually middle of school holidays out here. It's early winter and it's an absolute cracking day. Bit of feta. I haven't got as much feta as actually I thought I had, but that's alright. Might just drizzle some of that oil. Gonna add some mozzarella now. Make sure you get out on the edges of your pizza because you want every bite to have that flavour and just that little surprise for you. Some mixed herbs. Just a sprinkle of that. How good are these birds? Is there anything better than being out in nature and doing random cook-ups like this? Got all our toppings pretty much down on the pizza like I wanted. So get some cheese, whatever cheese you like. I've just gone with a tasty cheddar. Give it a good serve of cheese. I've cleaned everything as I go, so for those of you who go, I just use that same board. I've already cleaned it. Sheet of puff pastry. Righto. Now I'm probably going to use, let's go with 2 spoons of the crushed chili. Straight onto the puff pastry sheet. And then your tomato paste, barbecue sauce, whatever you like. Good serve of that. Mix that all up. And take it all the way out to the edges. Mix it up well and truly. You want that chili to be, again, spread evenly so every bite you take, you get the effect. Then all it is, matter of lifting your puff pastry, putting it on top of your pizza. Just spread the pastry out a bit so it covers it all. Then what I think I need to do, I want to try to make this pastry a little bit golden. Crack an egg, just whisk your egg up. Then you just want to paint the egg over the top of the pastry. Going to add a layer of Parmesan cheese straight into the barbecue. There's nothing pretty about this cook-up. You will go through some paper towel, but I think the end result might be worth it. So just Parmesan cheese over the puff pastry. Don't be scared, just make sure it's fairly even. Now the barbecue's been going for a while and it's about 180 degrees. What I've also done is I've got it like a cooling tray on top of the hot plate, just so that the pizza stone isn't in direct contact with the hot plate or the grill plate and allowing all that heat to cook all the cheese that's underneath before the actual base starts to fluff up and cook. As I said, the barbecue is probably about 180 degrees. Just going to put that pizza stone straight on here onto the cooling tray, which is only 10 mil off the hot plate, and half hour I'm guessing. Just while that's cooking, just going to do a quick clean up and have another drink or two. Let's go with 2 drinks in cooking time. 1 drink preparation time, 2 drinks cooking time. How good's this? So it's been about 15 minutes in the barbecue. It's smelling ridiculously good, I got to tell you. So what I'm going to do now, because it's half over the hot plate and half over the grill plate, I'm just going to spin it around so I don't overcook one side. Probably give it another 10 minutes and then see how it goes from there. Turn it around. Right guys, as I said, probably another, maybe even only 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Just taking it off the barbecue. I've got it on one of my serving trays. Just going to grab the other serving tray, put it on top and turn. Now hopefully taking the pizza tray off. Righto guys, upside down camp pizza. Going to give it a go. It's got a little bit of a crunch to the base. So the base has got good colour. That's really good. The chili paste that I put on there, probably went half a spoon too much because it's got a little bit of kick. But rather than sitting here making up your own dough, like I did when I was in or up at Fraser Island, this is a much simpler method. It's definitely got some kick. Lots of flavours with maybe too much flavour, not sure. I like lots on my pizzas. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Leave some comments, give me some feedback, let me know what you think. I'm now on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll drop them down below as well. Look forward to all your comments guys. Thanks again for watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and there'll be another video next week.